The United States' new tariff regime, effective August 27th, marks one of the most severe trade shocks India has faced in recent years. India's exports to the US are worth $86.5 billion. However, two-thirds of this are now subject to duties from 25 to 50%. Due to this, critical labor-intensive sectors face a sharp decline in employment. These industries include textiles, gems and jewelry, shrimp, carpets, and furniture. Due to the new tariff regime, India's exports to the US are set to fall steeply from $86 billion in 2025 to about $49 billion in 2026. When we look at the affected industries, their exports are currently at $60 billion. But after the tariffs, these exports would plunge by 70%, dropping to $18 billion. This will cause an overall 43% decline in shipments to the US, affecting hundreds and thousands of jobs. This is the strategic shock that is threatening India's long-standing foothold in the US right now. India's competitors, including China, Pakistan, and Nepal, stand to gain from these hits. This could potentially lock India out of key markets even if tariffs are rolled back later. So, let's take a deeper look at the severely impacted sectors. The shrimp market in India is about to see total tariffs soar to 60%. This collapses the farm gate prices in Andhra Pradesh and threatens the survival of processing hubs in Visakhapatnam and West Godavari. Here, competitors like Ecuador, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand will seize India's market share. Diamonds, gold, and jewelry face tariffs rising from 2.1% to 52.1%. This risks job losses in Surat, Mumbai, and Jaipur while pushing US buyers towards Israel, Belgium, China, and Mexico. Textiles and apparel will be hit by tariffs of up to 63.9%. This would mean a $10 Indian-made shirt would now cost $16.4. Clusters in Tirupur, Noida, Gurugram, Bangalore, Ludhiana, and Jaipur will be devastated by this hit. Countries like Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Mexico are expected to replace Indian suppliers. On the other hand, carpets face tariffs of 52.9%, jeopardizing livelihoods in Bhadohi, Mirzapur, and Srinagar. Countries like Turkey, Pakistan, Nepal, and China will make the gains here. Handicrafts, furnitures, and bedding industries risk factory closures across Jodhpur, Jaipur, Moradabad, and Saharanpur. Leather and footwear will lose ground to Vietnam, China, Indonesia, and Mexico, threatening Agra, Kanpur, and Tamil Nadu's Ambur-Ranipet clusters. Agriculture and processed food face a 50% tariff on high-value items like basmati rice, spices, and tea. This will enable Pakistan, Thailand, Vietnam, Kenya, and Sri Lanka to take over the demand from the US. US President Donald Trump imposed 25% tariffs on Indian products as part of a broader trade war. Currently, he has imposed duties on more than 90 countries. The additional tariffs on India were imposed a week later for India's continued purchase of Russian oil. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured small shopkeepers, farmers, and livestock farmers that the government would protect their interests. He, however, did not offer any specific action plan. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra said that RBI will support economic sectors that are hit by the Trump tariff. He said the government has set up a committee to assess the impact of the tariff and action will be taken based on its reports.